Good morning, everybody. It is Howard the Workout Man, and today I'm going to talk about how you can work out consistently and not skip any workouts. So, my first tip, probably the most important, go in the morning. Go first thing in the morning. Life throws you curveballs. Life throws you curveballs in the evening, social plans, during the day, work, kids. Go before all of that starts. Set your alarm a little bit earlier, go at the same time every single workout, and avoid most of the curveballs of life. So I run a real estate brokerage, I run a real estate development company, and I still manage to basically never skip workouts or even skip my cardio, which is part of my workout for that matter. How do I do it? Most of the time I go in the morning, first thing, and get it out of the way. So that was my first tip. Second tip is go at a consistent time every day or every workout, whatever number of workouts you want to do. Make sure that it's, let's say it's 4 days a week, 6 a.m. Don't change it, same amount of time. Make it like a schedule. That way, you know you're doing it, you expect to do it, you get used to it, it becomes part of your routine, just like brushing your teeth, and you don't skip it. You just go, it's part of your lifestyle. Next tip, tell your coworkers, tell your family, tell your kids, this is the time that I go to the gym. They will also make it part of their routine and also start to understand it and get used to it and won't bother you at that time. So 6 a.m., tell your coworker, listen, 6 a.m. to 7 a.m., I'm not available. Now, in all likelihood, no one's going to bother you at 6 a.m. anyways, but let them know. It will just become a part of your life and it will become a part of their life and they will work around it, they will live around it. Next tip, shut off your phone in the gym. That way, nobody bothers you, and whatever things happen in life, you won't even be aware of them. You just do your workout. And if you're going at 6 a.m., probably those things that are happening are not going to be that material, anyways. So, I'll say my tips again. Number one, wake up a little bit earlier, go first thing. That way, all the challenges of life have not even started yet. Number two, go at a consistent time and maybe even day every single week so it's part of your routine, part of your lifestyle. No, nobody is going to is going to bother you if they see that that's what you're doing consistently. Number three, let everybody know, your coworkers, your boss, your kids, your wife, your partner, that that's when you're at the gym and it's not really a good time to ask you questions, disturb you, whatever, and they'll get it and they'll just do it as part of the routine. And then the last one, well, sort of the second to last one, is close your phone. That way, whatever's happening, you won't know. You'll just focus on your workout, and that'll be that. And I'm going to add a bonus one is add caffeine. If you got to wake up earlier and you're having a hard time getting to the gym, just add caffeine in the morning. If you don't want to drink a coffee, add a pre-workout, add a caffeine pill, add something that's going to get you going out of bed and ready because that's the most efficient way to get things done. Have a great workout, everybody. Have a great day. Cheers.